Now let's check out the next tab, battery. We're going to use this one a lot, and it's very simple. Okay, this first screen lets you know how much battery charge is in your phone and your core. Now, you can choose to shift some of this battery from your ZEE Core to your phone. How do you do that? Well, it's very simple. You hit that button here. Now what's happening is your core is now charging your phone. So my phone's at 45%. Some of this charge will move on and you'll see that rise. You can also click on the battery itself to charge. Okay, now that you've learned how to charge your device using the core through the app, let's look at one of the coolest features that we have. At least I think so. Hit this arrow here. This is going to open up your auto charging menu. Now the auto charging is a really new concept. You're going to really get a lot of use out of this. When you engage it by hitting the little circle, this slider is going to be highlighted. This slider allows you to choose when to start charging your phone from the core and when to stop charging from the core. Now, what do I mean by that? For instance, I set this at 10%. This means when my phone drops below 10%, the charge, the ZEE Core will start charging my phone automatically. Okay, so my phone will never die. As soon as it hits 10%, bam, the ZEE Core turns it on and starts charging it again. Now, on the right, this slider will go all the way up to 100, so you can set that as well. I'll set that at 90%. That means when my phone reaches 90% of its battery charge, the core will automatically stop charging it. So my phone will always be charged. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to stop in the middle of my day and make sure my phone is plugged in, go running and looking for an outlet. My core will automatically take care of that, and I can think about other things. Super convenient, and one of the coolest features that the core can do. Underneath the slider, you'll notice some other information. It's sort of it's what we call an estimated battery use chart, and it lets you know how much approximate time that you have depending on what sort of activity that you're engaged in with your mobile device. So here we have talking time. This is the estimated amount of time we have left in my battery if we were just to do some talking, so about 5 hours. To play music, 24 hours worth of battery time. Video playback, 5 hours. Web surfing, roughly 5.5 hours. And the idle time, 117 hours. These are rough estimates. It's just letting you know if you were going to do this, that, or the other thing with your device, how long could you do it for, given the current battery life that you have in the device. And so we hope that's helpful. Okay, let's go to the next tab. Alarm charge.